إن الذين كفروا لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا وأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
As for those who denied the truth, neither their possessions nor their children will avail them against Allah. They are the people of the fire, and therein they shall abide.
مثل ما ينفقون في هذه الحياة الدنيا كمثل ريح فيها صر أصابت حرث قوم ظلموا أنفسهم فأهلكته وما ظلمهم الله ولكن أنفسهم يظلمون.
The example of what they spend in the life of this world is like that of a wind accompanied with frost, which smote the harvest of a people who wronged themselves and laid it to waste. It is not Allah who wronged them, rather it is they who wronged themselves.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا بطانة من دونكم لا يألونكم خبالا ودوا ما عنتم قد بدت البغضاء من أفواههم وما تخفي صدورهم أكبر قد بينا لكم الآيات إن كنتم تعقلون.
Believers, do not take for intimate friends those who are not of your kind. They spare nothing to ruin you. Indeed, they long for you to suffer. Their hatred is clearly manifest in what they say, and what their breasts conceal is even greater. Now we have made our messages clear to you, if only you can understand the danger of their intimacy.
ها أنتم أولئك تحبونهم ولا يحبونكم وتؤمنون بالكتاب كله وإذا لقوكم قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا عضوا عليكم الأنامل من الغيظ قل موتوا بغيظكم إن الله عليم بذات الصدور.
Lo, it is you who love them, but they do not love you, even though you believe in the scriptures. When they meet you, they say, "We believe," but when they are by themselves, they bite their fingers in rage at you. Say, perish in your rage. Allah knows even what lies hidden in their breasts.
إن تمسسكم حسنة تسؤهم وإن تصبكم سيئة يفرحوا بها وإن تصبروا وتتقوا لا يضركم كيدهم شيئا إن الله بما يعملون محيط.
If anything good happens to you, they are grieved. If any misfortune befalls you, they rejoice. Yet if you remain steadfast and mindful of Allah, their designs will not cause you any harm. Allah surely encompasses all that they do.